Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn a good amount of money by just selling courses, music and ebooks absolutely free. You do not have to create your own courses, music. It's just copy paste work and you can earn up to good amount. You can see guys, people are actually earning from affiliate marketing link via this method. You can see $35,000 by just selling things of others. Okay, if you are having your own courses as well, you can sell in this, and people have actually earned $310 million by just selling films, courses, music. And best part of this website, it will do the marketing promotions. You just need to upload your things, and this website will do the rest of the things. You do not have to do anything. Okay, while you are sleeping, it will just passivate the income, and it's a very good way to earn online. Just by sitting at home, make money online just from uploading the content of others. Okay, you do not have to spend so much time. Okay, so just step by step. And guys, please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that I can give you more details how you can earn online by just doing nothing. Okay, just subscribe to this channel and hit the like button so that there is always a motivation to give you these best content. Okay, so I'm just coming in this website, and the link for this website I have just posted on in the description box. Okay, you just check out the gumroad.com it is. Okay, so I just want to sell, so you can see that start selling. Just click on this start selling. Okay, and I just enter my email and password. Okay, just give your email and password. And I'm not a robot. And just verify it and just click on create account. Okay guys, and guys, welcome to this Gumroad. Okay, you just need to enter your name first. Okay, and just give a user ID. Okay, and just a bio. Okay, a short description. So you can see that I'm a passionate publisher who wants to sell ebooks, courses and music on this and music. That's it. Okay, just do this and upload your photo and just click on this education button. Okay, you can select other categories as well if you are having a good niche. Okay, I just click on this education and just select your country and just click add, and you can see guys, publish your first product. So how to publish our first product? Okay, so there is comes into play. I just gave you another website where you can publish your product absolutely free of cost. Okay guys, so this is a indigitalworks.com. Okay, it's absolutely free guys. You just need to, it is containing lots of product. You can see guys, lots of ebooks, software, videos, templates, graphics and free music. You do not need to do anything guys. It's world's largest PLR membership since 2008. Means it is meant to resell your products. There is no copyright issues. Okay, you can see guys, ebooks are lots of ebooks, softwares, lot of softwares, videos, graphics and templates, articles. It is having just copyright free, and you can take these website for resale purposes. You can see good amount of money you can earn from this website absolutely free of cost guys. Absolutely, you do not need to do anything. Okay, you do not need to create a product. If you are good in creating a product, it's good thing you can upload it. Otherwise, you just need to come up in this and just select ebook. Okay, just click on this ebook and you can see guys, hundreds and hundreds of ebooks are there. Okay, you can see good amount of ebooks it will give me. Okay, I just show you one thing. Okay, so what this website is asking you to just name of the product. Okay, I just gave the name of the product, so this is your name of the product. So I just copy paste it, just click copy, Control C and Control V. Okay, and just select amount. Okay, I just prefer you to give $1.99. Okay, so it's a good amount, good marketing strategy guys. I just define each and everything, just follow my steps and you can earn a good amount of money. Okay, and just click next. Okay guys, now you have to give the description. Okay, all you need to do is just come up in this and just click on this product. Okay, and you can see guys, it is having a good amount of description. You just need to copy paste this whole thing and just paste it. Okay, your description is done, your naming is done, that's it. Okay, now I need to upload the cover. Okay guys, I just need to upload the cover. From this you can hover over your cursor and just click on right click and you can see that guys, save image. Okay, just click on this thing. Okay, and just I want to select it. Okay, you can see guys, I have done the part. Okay, so what do I so guys, what you need to do, you just hover over your mouse and just click on this save image. Okay, just click and save this image and you can see guys, there is a WebEx. Okay, if you are in the mobile phone, you can take a screenshot of this thing and you can do it. I have this snipping tool. You can see guys, snipping tool. Okay, I just click on this snipping tool and just take a screenshot of this. Okay, you can take a screenshot and just I just want to save it. Okay, just click on save as. Okay, and desktop, you can see pic. Okay, you can upload it in the JPEG format and you just come up in this website and desktop pic. I just need to search pic. Okay, just click on this and click on the open. Okay, it will take some time and it will do the rest of thing for you. Okay, you do not have to do anything guys. You can see guys, it's a good. Okay, just I don't do. If you are in the mobile phone guys, if you are in the mobile phone, you can just take a screenshot of it and just crop it. Okay, crop it around. Okay, just crop it around. Okay, and that is what it all. So now you need to do the call to action. So I just want to buy this. Okay, this call to action is buy this and the summary. It is a bonus bundle of topics in one ebook and it is available at just $4.99. Okay, just that's it. You just need to add this description. Don't need to do these kind of things and just upload your file. Okay, how can I upload my file? Okay, how can I upload my file? You just click on this download button and just you need to upload your file and just click on this allow the customer to choose the quantity. Okay, and someone if he wants to buy this, I just click the preview. Okay, you can see guys, I can if someone wants to buy this product, okay, you can see that he can earn just by clicking the quality. That is why I have choose that option. Okay, he can buy multiple copies of this and just click on this buy button and you can see guys your credit card details and just want to pay and you are getting the end result in your pocket. It's absolutely free. You do not have to do nothing. You do not have to. And guys, in this website there are millions and millions of things. You can see free software. You can download the softwares. You can download videos. Okay, that simple. You just need to download these videos and just upload. Okay, just you need to upload these things. Okay, that's it. Just you need to upload the file. Okay, and that's the only thing. Your own product is listed. You can see guys, it's absolutely free. And you can if you want to know about the affiliate marketing, then this is your referral link. Okay, through which you can promote your product as well and others product as well. Okay, just click on this and you can see guys, it's good. Okay, you can check your analysis of your product. Okay, and it will give you a good amount of customers. This profile will give you good amount of customers. Right now it is not showing me, but eventually it is. Okay, so it's a good amount. You can see guys, people are actually earning. You can see reach a balance of $10 and you can retrieve the money. Okay, I just check out some payment details, how you can do it. You just need to enter guys your name, first name, last name, street address, city and the postal code. Guys, it should be genuine, otherwise your payment would not get retrieved. Okay, you just need to add your PayPal account. If you do not know how to create a PayPal account with full process, just write down in the comment section. I assure you I can create a PayPal account for you guys, absolutely free. Okay, so we can encrypt all the settings. Okay, just click on the finish and you can receive your payment directly. Even if eventually you do not have to do, you just need to list every single product guys. It will take if you are spending a day, just upload these kind of things one at a time. Okay, free music, graphics, templates, videos, softwares, ebooks, just one product each and every single day. Okay, if you can calculate guys, it is $4.99. Okay, I'm just calculated. Just calculate it. How can I? It is $4.99 from one product. Okay, if daily you can guys, upload one, and in month there are 40,000 customers over this website. Okay, I just show you how many customers this website is having. Okay, I just click on this logo button. Okay, and you can see guys, I can see, wait a second. I just click on this logo button and you can see guys, there are how many customers do it have. So you can see guys, 40,000 creators are doing a good amount. Okay, just 40,000 creators are earning $310 million. It's absolutely good guys. They will create a whole traffic. You do not need to do anything. They are just guys, it's genuine earning. You can see the consensus. By and by, if you are try to have an habit to how to upload it, and you can see you can have a good amount of analysis sheet. Okay, how you can do it. So guys, it is actually make sense while you are posting some products daily basis. So this website owners will thought that you are a genuine creator and they will promote your product on the daily basis. So I just do recommend you to have a look on this website. Just start making money from scratch. It's very good experience guys, and it's absolutely free of cost. You do not need to spend a penny from your pocket to earn money. Okay, it's absolutely free, and this is the difference between guys the smart work, okay, and hard work. Okay, so I just wanna please do write in the comment section guys whether you like this video or not. Okay, and just click on the subscribe button and hit the like button so that guys you can give the notification of my video every single day. Okay, every single day I'm just try to give you best content guys, how you can earn by just within few clicks. You can earn a good amount of money. Okay, just click on the subscribe button. And if you want to know about my investment strategies on different sectors, stock market and any other sectors, just do write on the comment section and let me know what is your thinking about it. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video.